What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Detached Garage. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Sean, and this channel is all about helping you guys plan, design, build, and upgrade your garage. In today's episode, big news, we've got a signed contract on the land sale. Let's go. Welcome back, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys are new to the channel and garages interest you a lot, please consider hitting that subscribe button below. For those of you that have been with this channel for quite a long time, you know how frustrated I've been on the process of my land sale and trying to build my detached garage. So, big news, we've been working with the neighbor and we finally have a signed agreement for the purchase of the land. So, what does that mean? What did we have to go through to get that? Well, number one, we had to agree on a purchase price for the land. And if you guys haven't been following along with me, let me link up in the top card up here a playlist for you to kind of get caught up on my garage saga of just bureaucracy and red tape to buy some land from my neighbor to get the proper setbacks so I can build my garage without a variance. So we had to get that purchase price figured out. We also had to get the septic system figured out, where they have two septic systems on our property that didn't have an easement associated with them. So we had to get the easement language figured out, and also with that piece of property, the amount of people that live in that house, and making sure that the septic changes that we proposed would be enough to support the whole house. So all that being said, we got the purchase price, we've got the agreement figured out for the septic easement. We have a signed contract that we provided an offer to purchase, and they signed it. So we have an accepted offer for the purchase of that land and the easement associated with that. Now, we also submitted our plans to the county environmental for approving the changes that we're going to do to their septic systems to make it possible for us to put the garage where we want it. And so because we're going through that and that the county has approved, there is one last step to move forward with this sale, and that is the town needs to approve the new certified survey map of the redrawn lot lines, the new easement area. They just need to approve it, and then we can move to closing. So what does that mean for you guys? What does that mean for this channel? As soon as we get that town approval and as soon as we go to closing, we can finally start the design process. I haven't wanted to put a lot of money into the design process because, frankly, I didn't know if this was going to happen or not. And we might have had to move, which would need the design process to start all over again. So we've got that signed offer. We have the signed offer, we have the approval from the county for the septic system. We just need to get that town approval to move forward to closing. And once we close, then I can start getting with some architects and designers to start laying out my vision for the garage. Sneak peek of the vision right now. Up on the left-hand side of the screen here, I will put what my old vision looked like, and on the right side of the screen, I will put what the new vision looks like. And so very similar, a little bit smaller than the past, but the biggest change is the roof line and the direction of the roof line. So if you remember my goals and wanting to go solar for this garage, one of the big things I needed to think about was a south-facing roof line and making sure that I have enough surface area, especially in the winter, to make solar worthwhile. So if I had a north-south roof line versus an east-west roof line, north-south, I could put solar panels on the east side and on the west side, but since we're in the northern hemisphere, you really want to have solar on the south-facing side of the roof because of the angle that we're at. So this new layout is going to give a lot more options for solar, a lot more options for better power generation and getting closer to that off-grid process for our house. So super excited. We will definitely keep you guys up to date. Please, please, please keep us in your thoughts and prayers. This isn't a done deal yet. We still have to get that town approval. It can still get hung up, but we are so close to getting this done and finally started on the design phase of the garage. And that means as we get through that design phase, more videos for you guys to check out in my process of building my garage. I hope you guys are doing well. Please keep us in your thoughts and prayers. And again, if you want to follow along with my garage build and the rest of this channel with planning, building, upgrading your garage, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will check you guys on the next episode. And thanks again for watching Detached Garage.